everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to get cash out of an ATM using Apple Pay and your Apple Watch. Now, for those of you who have not set up Apple Pay on your Apple Watch yet, be sure to click on the link above and it will take you to our video that will show you a step-by-step process on how to get that installed onto your Apple Watch. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and take my watch off so you can see a little better the process on how to get cash out of an ATM using your Apple Pay. So this is my Apple Watch. And so to activate Apple Pay, what you would do is go over here to the side. You have two buttons on your Apple Watch. The top button is your digital crown and the bottom button is your side button. So you would click your side button twice. Now, because you have Apple Pay set up on it, you have to have a 4-digit PIN. So we're gonna put our 4-digit PIN in real quick to unlock it, and then we're gonna hit it again twice. Push the side button twice. And so when we hit the side button twice, our credit card or our debit card appears that we set up for an account. And so when that appears, all you have to do is put your watch up against the card reader. Now the card reader is the symbol here. There's a little red sticker here. So you put your watch up against there, you hear it beep, and then your screen will change. Now putting your watch up against there like that is like putting your credit card or your debit card into the machine. So that's the advantage of Apple Pay, not having to pull out your card, but just use your watch. So what we want to do is get $20 out the machine. So we're gonna put in our PIN and hit $20. Then it asks us, do we want a certain denomination? Since we're getting 20, so it asks them, do we just want 20, a solid $20 bill, or 2 tens? We say it doesn't matter, hit no. It says, would you like a receipt? We're gonna say yes. And then it asks, what kind of receipt would you like? Would you like a receipt sent to your email or a printed email or a printed receipt? So we're gonna hit printed receipt, and now it's processing our request. And as you see, it's putting out the cash, and there is our $20. And now it just spit out our receipt. So now we have our $20, and now we have our receipt. So that's about it for our video for today. How to get cash out of an ATM machine using Apple Pay and our Apple Watch. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And be sure to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.